I installed all the developer version of the softwares that released today by Apple just now. Let's discover them together, see what's up. So the first thing that is really popping here is how huge the icons are. This can be changed here if I go to customization and select small. And also when I select large, the text will disappear. So it assumes that you will know what icon is which application. So it's purely visual. The second thing is once you pull down the control center, you immediately realize the changes. There are 4 tabs right now. Actually 3 tabs, but since I added this one, it became 4. So it gives you additional tab if you want to create your favorite items. So the first one is what you used to have. The second one is music. Third one is control center. And the last one is basically you can customize it yourself. Then you can resize each individual icon here. Hold anywhere outside the icon apparently. I can now resize these icons. The next thing is basically changing the color of the icons. So I can change based on my desired color. This will affect every icon, including the third parties. These are now being updated. And beside that, I can select dark theme, which only affects the Apple ones, Apple original apps. And I believe they opened the gate for the third parties now. They can, every individual application now, developers should be able to change it to the dark theme, which we'll be seeing more of this in the future. So this theme gonna be unified. Beside that, you can move any application that anywhere you want. So if you tap and hold on each individual application, you should be able to see the widget immediately on them. So it can be resized to be the maximum size or make them smaller up to an icon. The smallest, which is an icon. Beside that, if you tap and hold on each individual application, you should be able to lock them, and it will require Face ID in the future. Beside that, this password application used to be in Safari integrated. Now it has its own individual application for it. So the next major thing is basically in iMessage, I should be able to interact with different messages using all the available emojis. It wasn't available previously, which was quite annoying, and right now it is. And one of the most exciting things they're going to do is RCS, Rich Communication Service, which means that iMessage will be able to communicate with different mobile platform or operating systems like Android and send rich text. Like for example, you can get read receipts, we can send emojis, you can send audio messages. So this is something I would say Europe Union won in this war, and finally they made Apple do it. The next thing, which is my favorite, is what they did to the very miserable calendar app. So it's a complete touch-up on everything. Now they added this detailed view in the month section, and they have stack, which is the compact version, and the fully compact, which absolutely no details to the month. But I love this, so it is usable now. It can replace a lot of third-party applications which charge you for a subscription, I would say. Other than that, is basically on a day view. Now you have ability for a single day and multi-day, which shows you more detail on the upcoming days and your events ahead. And one more thing is ability to add reminders now, so you can add event as well as reminders. It is well integrated with your Apple Reminder application. You can select any list here and add your event, and it has the good old natural language processing. Let's say meet Mason tomorrow. It will highlight it for you, but because I don't have the Apple original keyboard, doesn't show properly. Tomorrow at 10 a.m. Then the suggestion would replace the actual time and date. So I'm gonna have an eye on these updates and I'm waiting for the features, especially the iPhone mirroring on the macOS, Apple Intelligence, and also the handwriting recognition on the iPad. I can't wait to test these features because these were the most exciting ones in the event. More of these videos will come, so stay tuned, give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe so I can see you in the next one. Cheers, thanks.